Hello and welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from the summer 2019 paper 2, so it is a calculator paper question. So we've got a diagram here that shows a rectangle ABCDE and a right angled triangle ABC. So that right angled triangle is particularly important on this question. Then it says AC is 17, which is labelled on the diagram here. BC is 8, also labelled on the diagram. Then it says BC to CD, or CD is this little section here, is in the ratio 1 to 2. So what that means is this is double BC. So that is important for this question. And then it's asking us to work out the area of rectangle ABDE. So the area of the whole rectangle. So have a look at this carefully. It is 4 marks. So pause your video, have a go. Then I'll go through how to tackle this question. Okay, let's take a look then. So first of all, this bit, well, 8 times 2 is 16. So that's got to be 16. So that whole of that side, if you add 16 and 8 together, is going to be 24. So we need to know that. We need to know that in order to be able to work out the area of this rectangle. Now we've got to deal with this side. Now this side is a little bit trickier, but we have this right angled triangle to help us. So what we can do here is we can use Pythagoras. Now we know the hypotenuse on this one. The hypotenuse is always the side opposite the right angle. So we actually know the longest side on this triangle. So what that means is when we use Pythagoras, we're going to have to do 8, and we're going to have to subtract. Instead of doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we're using c squared minus b squared equals a squared. So what this means in reality is 17 squared minus 8 squared. So you put that in on your scientific calculator, you will get 225. Then if you continue by square rooting this, square root of 225 is actually 15. So that tells us that AB or ED, however you want to look at it, is 15. Now remember, to do the area of a rectangle, you need to do base times height. So we then need to do 24 times 15, and that's going to give us an area of 360 centimeters squared. And here's another fully correct solution. They've done it the same way as me, as you can see. This is the exam board solution, and it's exactly the same method there.